Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Right, I've got these moulds here. I've never used these. They're both exactly the same. And they're for a purpose. I'll show you. Right, I got these pearlescent mica powders from Temu. And I just want to try them out. I'm just curious. I'm always after something a bit different pigment-wise, like we all are, I would imagine. And I came across these and I got them free. So I thought I would try them today in these pots and I'd bring you along with me, if that's okay. Right, I'm going to be using epoxy resin. I'm going to be using Jade Diction epoxy resin. And I'll show you, they all look the same. Obviously, we know what them colours are, but these ones, they're not actually giving off a hue, if you know what I mean. A hue. So, I've tried them out on my mat, and I've wrote the colours on. So that's green, gold, blue, and like a pinky red. So, wobbly bottles. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the green and the gold together for one. And don't really want to try pink and blue. Just to try them out, we'll use pink and blue. So I will go and get some resin mixed up and stop waffling, and I'll be back in a moment. Right, they're inside out as you can see, and I'm going to start with the gold. And I'm going to paint the gold onto this ribbed bit, if you will. I'll paint the green on there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one with a white backing and one with a black backing, just to test the powders out. I'll speed you up for this. It might take some time. Okay, I'm going to split the resin. I've mixed up 300, it's getting quite warm while I was painting that. So let's get started. Let's see if I can mix it, divide it evenly. Like I say, I'm going to do one in black and one in white. Let's get it all scraped out. I don't know whether there's enough, but I'm usually wrong, so if there's any left over, I've got some little moulds off to the side. We'll make something nice out of the leftovers. Right, I think that's it. Now the pigment paste I'm going to be using, a lot of you will know, is from Resin Supplies on Facebook. So if you want to take a look at that, they're absolutely wonderful pigments. I've been using them a long time and I do like them. Sorry about me cleaning up, but if I don't get it off now, my mat's ruined. Right, start with the white. Very mucky little pot, but there's nothing wrong with the paste, as you can see. Give it a good mix up because it does settle, and I've not used the white in quite a while. Right, that should be enough, and they really do need a good mix up, pigment paste. Right, let's get it poured, because it is getting very, very hot. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be enough. Right, I will scrape the rest of the cups and I will mix a bit more resin up. It only needs a little bit, I'd say about 30 mils for that. And I'm going to put it on a heat mat. I will spritz it with alcohol and I will see you back for demold. Right, it's been a few hours. They've cured now. They don't feel soft anymore. I've taken them off the heat mat. They've had about an hour off the heat mat to cool down. Let's get them out, shall we? I think this should be alright. Don't think we should have any problems with it. We'll finally get to see these powders. Now this is the one with the black behind it. Wow, they're really rather vibrant. Considering they didn't look like anything, that's really vibrant. That blue is fantastic. Do I like the pink with it? No. But the colours separately are fabulous. Oh, look at that blue. Look at that. Oh, I wish I'd done it all in blue now. I think we all do that, don't we? Yeah, right, the other one. Now, obviously, I backed this in white. This was the green and gold. I'll be very, very surprised if they've shown up at all on the white. Oh, not much. I kind of wish I'd done them both in black, but I don't know if it's coming across on the camera. It's very, very shiny and does not look gold or green. Just looks like a shiny white. It's very pretty though, it is. Lovely, lovely mould. Now I did buy this mould to make candles because that's what I do. Obviously not in resin. You don't put naked flames near resin. I would have to make them in aquacast. Right, well, like I say, blue and pink. The blue is fabulous. Definitely cannot wait to use that again. That is one excellent colour. This, very disappointed. It's very pretty, but not what I wanted. Much better in black, I would imagine. I need to try that again, don't I? Anyway, there we go. I will take some pictures and I will put some battery operated tea lights in. Very nice mould that. We will be using it again. I hope you've got something from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun making these. Shame about that one, but still rather lovely. And I will see you for the next one. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Bye.